In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link an image in Google Slides, which will take you approximately 5 minutes. This process is incredibly straightforward and can really enhance your presentations by making them more interactive and informative. So, let's dive in. First, let's begin by accessing Google Slides. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to the Google Slides website. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Make sure you have your credentials handy for a smooth login process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Now that you're at the Google Slides home, you'll have the option to start a new presentation. You can choose to click on blank presentation if you wish to start from scratch, or if you'd like some design inspiration, feel free to select a template that suits your project. Once you've selected your option, you'll be directed to the slide editor. The next step is to add the image that you want to link. On the menu, find and click on Insert. This action will open a drop-down menu. From here, choose Image, then select the source of the image, whether it's from your computer, a URL, or from the web. Select the image you intend to use and it will be inserted into your slide. Once your image is placed, it's time to link it to a URL or another slide within your presentation. For this, click on the image to select it. You'll notice a border appears around the image, indicating it's selected. Now move your pointer to the top menu bar and click on the Insert menu once again. From the drop-down menu, look for and click on the Link option. This step is crucial in making your image interactive. You'll see a dialog box pop up where you can enter the URL or search for slides within your presentation. Type in the desired URL or link to another slide and make sure it's correct. Once you're satisfied, click Apply. The link is now embedded in your image, transforming it into an interactive element within your slideshow. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully linked an image in Google Slides. This feature can make your presentations much more dynamic, allowing viewers to explore external resources or different slides directly from the images. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with linking images, the more confident you'll become. So give it a try in your next presentation and elevate your Google Slides experience. Best of luck with your future projects.